going back to the injector tank. See the water running from the sink?
This is going to the
It's
injector.
going back to the injector tank.
Just so the water from the sink flowing. Did you see it?
Turn the sink off, man. Turn the sink off. Turn the sink off.
Well, before you turn it off, let me show you that it's flowing. That the way you know that this is, you're going to see it right here, and then we're going to shut off the water.
That's the water. That's where it drops down.
Yeah, it's flowing.
From that clean now, that's where it drops.
No.
Now slow down. Unless the thing collected after the pump, I don't know. Want to go in? Go in. That's your tank.
That's the top of, that's the comes in.
Yeah, if you go down there, you can see the.
Okay, so go backwards on the line you're talking about.
All right. Hold it.
That goes straight out to that greenhouse. The one on the lower down.
The one that's over there. Hey, keep going to the house truck then.
That's not going to the house front.
Huh? Wait, that clean out is headed to the house truck on the wall. Let's keep heading forward.
So keep pushing it.
Yeah.
All right.
Tell, that's low water.
There's no water there. You pass whatever it is.
That's how it is. That's how the pipe. That's why I asked you. Why it's all the way down here.
Huh?
Remember when I first came in, I'm like, why'd you jackhammer all the way down here? And you
That
said,
is what I'm saying. That is
where
the same
the
pipe.
wall is? Nah.
You could go in the hole and you're gonna see that is the same pipe. You go back in the pit and see. I don't understand how we turn and go backwards, but that's the same fucking pipe.
Instead, huh?
Huh? No, I'm thinking that's why you probably got two formage in there.
That?
breaking a pipe because there's roaches in the fucking pipe. How did they get in there?
Right.
Where?
Take that.
What is that? Filling there or something?
Hmm?
What is that?
Where?
What is that water sitting there?
What is this? It's flowing. What do you mean? Same way.
It's flowing?
Yeah.
Where's that water coming from?
I have no idea, but it's flowing. See, it's flowing.
Okay, so
Probably something else tied to
it's
it.
going back into the that's the line that's going back into the pump, right?
Yeah. He's knocking. He's right there.
Huh?
He's knocking. You hear it?
Yeah, it's right there. Yeah.
Knock again.
That's the pit.
Mm-hmm. You get his floater right there.
Do you see him?
Nah.
That's the floor.
I'm going over there to see it.
You talk about the first armory, right? That's the first armory. Where the pipe is?
Right there, yeah. There is two pipes here, so listen, there is two pipes here, not one. Okay, there is